Welcome to my Varli art videos. Varli art is a tribal art form of Maharashtra. Varli literally means a piece of land. It is there since 10th century and it's a geometric style of art. Varli is usually explored under these 5 themes. The first one is a Deva Chauk or Lagna Chauk. Second is a Varli wedding. Third is Tarpa dance. Fourth is Varli daily life. And fifth is Varli harvest. We are going to explore the Deva Chauk first, which is going to look like this. You have the goddess drawn in the center with certain things around her and 5 basic borders which need to be drawn in this order only. Then you can show the Varli wedding under that, the bride, the groom and some human figures around it. The important thing is drawing these 5 borders. These borders have specific significance and meaning. When I draw these borders, I will be telling that to you. It could also look like this. Chauk actually means a square, and above the square, a small triangle also can be drawn. This is another way of drawing the Deva Chauk. So let's start drawing it. As I told you earlier, it's a geometric style, so you need to learn to draw neat circles and triangles, both facing up and down, and cross, and straight lines, of course. Okay, we'll draw a basic human figure. Need to draw a circle. That is the head. This is the neck. Two triangles. The legs and the hands. So if you were to draw a Varli female figure, there is a very slight change. You draw the upper triangle slightly smaller than the lower triangle. The legs and hands are like this, and you draw a small hair bun like this. That makes it a Varli female figure. In the male figure, draw the head, the neck, and the upper body triangle is slightly bigger than the lower body triangle. The legs and hands are same in both. A common mistake that is seen is when you draw the hands, you draw it flowing like this. This is not done in Varli. It has to be like this. Just show you the Varli old person, how you would draw an old person. You need to draw the upper triangle slightly bent like this. Draw a stick this way. So to draw the Deva Chauk, you need to know these 5 borders. It has to be in this order. The first border is called Pasodi in Marathi. Pasodi means birds of the same feather. So you will be drawing half triangles like this very evenly and equidistantly. This has to be the first border. Your second border is called sakali, which means a chain. So you will be drawing crisscrossing lines for that. You have to draw it neatly because I need to demonstrate with a thick pen. It is not as even as it should be. So this is the way you need to draw the second border. The third border is called dhak. I believe it's called, it means part of a flower in Marathi. So this depicts the part of a flower. So you need to draw cross like this. This also needs to be very neat and equidistant. And you color the upper triangle and the lower triangle. Color this, color this, color this, that way. The fourth border is called the basinga, which the bride and the groom wear around their forehead. So this is how you would draw it. You draw 3 lines like this and 2 triangles. See, everything is about triangles. You divide the border into another central line like this, and I'll show you here. To draw like this. This is called the popal. I believe this represents the areca nut. So once you draw this, you need to color the alternate squares. This one is colored, this one is colored, and this one is colored. So these 5 borders have to be drawn in this order only to draw the Deva Chowk. So what is drawn inside the Deva Chowk, I will draw and show you. A goddess form is, female goddess is drawn this way. The name of this goddess is Palghata. This goddess is drawn in all auspicious occasions, religious occasions, and especially during weddings. You can draw hair like this. You don't draw the legs here. Then you make a square around her. This is a single paddy plant. This is how it is drawn. This is offered to the goddess. Then on one side you draw the sun. Other side you draw the moon. You also draw a ladder within this chauka. Then you draw a tarpa, which is a very important old instrument of the Worlis. They also put a comb for the goddess. These things have to be inside the chauka. Then you make 5 levels of borders. Each 1 centimeter you can make it. I have made this a 7 centimeter square. This is the first border, second border, third border, fourth and fifth. So you have to draw the pattern of the border that I have shown. I'll just draw this tarpa instrument once again because this is very important to them. Tarpa musical instrument. This portion is made of a bottle gourd. And this is made of bamboo. I will also post the actual picture of a tarpa, then you'll get an idea. Then a thread is tied like this, and this thread is usually decorated with peacock feathers. This is a tarpa instrument. What else do I need to show you? That's it, I think.